Alright, now Samsung has released a brand new update for its incredible application, the Quick Share, using which we can transfer the files between Samsung Galaxy devices in a jiffy. Now, as you can see here, the changelog talks about a couple of new features. The new version is 13.5.51.10. In the changelog, it says improved to make it possible to share content with anyone by selecting contacts. Added a private sharing feature for safe sharing of private and sensitive content. Now, these new additions or these changes may or may not be good for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. I've got the S23 Ultra on the right hand side, which is with the updated version of the Quick Share. And on the left hand side, I have the S22 Ultra, where I am yet to update this application. So you will see the previous version on this phone. Now, let me just open the gallery to share any of the files here. I'll just tap on share. We'll do the same thing on the previous version as well. Let's open any file here and I'll tap on share. Now you can see this is the sharing menu. Here we have got the quick share. I'll tap on quick share on both the phones. Now you can instantly see the changes here. As you can see on the top, we have got share to my device option, and we have got a share to nearby Galaxy devices, where we have the same here on the new version. It says share to devices nearby, and we are getting a QR code option right here, whereas we had this option in this particular section here. And then we have got this brand new option called share to contacts. Now this is a new addition we have got here, but I would say the previous options were really good. Now you can see in the previous one, we had all three options in the same section. We had copy link, share link using application, share using QR code. It was very easy to select the options that we want. Now with the new version, we do not have share link using application. Now this integrates the link sharing feature inside the Quick Share itself. Whenever you wanted to share any particular images or videos or any other files using a link, we can just tap on the share link using app option. It creates a link right here, and we can share that link on any of the application you want. You want to share it on WhatsApp, on Facebook Messenger, or Gmail. You can share the link on any of these third-party applications as well. Now looks like that has been removed here. I'm not sure where this share link using application feature is stuck on this app now. I'm not seeing it right here on this page at least. Now on the new version, you can see under share to devices nearby, it says turn on the screen on the device you want to share with. So here it doesn't say that. Now this means that whenever you want to share the files to another Samsung device, if it is not your own device logged in with the same account, you will have to turn on the other device's screen so that the phone gets displayed right here on the share to devices nearby section. Now coming to this new option here, this is not a new feature as such. We could do the same thing using share link using application. What this feature does is it creates a link which will be shared with a particular contact right from this section here. Now let me just tap on this. It shows up all the contacts here. Now whenever I select a particular contact, it says send text message. A text message containing a link will be sent to the recipient. I can tap on OK to send that particular link to that contact. Whereas on the previous version, we could tap on share link using application, and we can select the messaging app and select a particular contact and send the link on the message. It's the same thing basically, but the way it is organized now is different on this menu. Now let's look at the second important change. As you can see on the top right here, we get this three dot button, which is also there on the previous version. I'll tap on this. You can see we've got turn on private sharing option right here. Now this is something which is integrated into Quick Share application itself. Whereas before we did not have this option, we just had settings and contact us. But the private sharing option was there in privacy and security features. Let me just tap on settings. I'll tap on security and privacy. You can see at the bottom we got private share option here, which will enable us to share the files privately, prevent recipients from resharing, and set expiry dates. Now this feature is available under security and privacy on the S22 Ultra. Now on the updated version of Quick Share, we have got private sharing integrated into the Quick Share itself. Now let me tap on private sharing. You can see it takes a few seconds to get into the private sharing menu. It says files you share are encrypted and expire after the time you set. Only Galaxy users can view share files. Now this is only for the Samsung Galaxy phone users. You can set the expiry dates here. You can tap on this to set the expiry date, and then you can share the nearby device and send that link to that particular Galaxy phone, and the person will be able to see those files, and that particular link will expire after the set expiry date. This is private share, and this has been integrated now into the quick share option or the quick share feature or the quick share application itself. These are the two changes we have got with this all new update. Let me know what do you think about it. Has Samsung made this feature more complicated, or do you think this is something which is useful? Drop a comment and let me know. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find it useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.